continental cast iron. This will last 10 generations. So we said, well, why don't we just take the fire from underneath and put an inside, put a hole in it for drainage, and sell it. Isn't this awesome? So we have the stands too, right? So we have a 20, this is a 30 gallon, and down we have also, we have a 20 gallon. So it's great.
He told it to me when he delivered my grill. Amazing.
So over
great.
time, this will kind of start to wear off and it'll patina. So you'll have this beautiful mahogany. Think like a sewer cap or a street cap that's just over time. It's got that beautiful kind of mahogany on it, that beautiful patina. So this is just what we've got.
That's amazing. So cool.
Isn't it great?
So cool.
How many more?
You shipped to the coast of Oregon. I just got a beach house.
Absolutely. No, Sam's Northwest. Sam's Northwest Barbecue, absolutely.
That's beautiful. That's perfect because I haven't seen any of them.
You're not going to see anything like that.
Because usually they don't have a big, nice angle.
I mean, and this, literally, like, this is 260 pounds of American-made quality.
That's the tagline right there.
This is 5 generations of family goodness right here. Yeah, absolutely.
All right, man.
Well, thanks for your time.
Oh my God, no, right here.
He never stopped talking. So, do you have any questions?
No, it's amazing. I mean, just the amount of passion that goes behind anything. I think that's what makes everything. I'm like, oh, this is so cool. But that's what I was saying. But yeah, thank you so much.
Thank you.
I mean, I got
this is George Boyd, by the way.
So nice to meet you.
I'm going to give you my contact information, please.
Oh, we would love that.
Love to.
Thank you so much.
Oh my God, thank you. Yes. This is such an incredible product. Yes, you can. I love